Okay, so this is the guess and check solving code for robotics, and basically, the code is just basically the most basic code that you can do with the wall maze. So let's just pull out the wall maze real quick. Now this is the wall maze. So I need to put up a set of blocks or a code in order for it to make it through all of the different alphabets and eventually make it to the red finish line. So basically, uh, how I did this was that since it's just a guess and check, there's two blocks to it. It's there's two main blocks to it. There's basically drive, forward, and the turning block. And that's why we're just guessing because basically we're just putting up numbers that can perfectly fit inside in between these narrow lines so that the robot can fit through it and maneuver its way through the alphabet. So basically what I did was drive forward for 250, so the robot will go up for 250 and then turn left for 90 degrees. So that's just basically how I did it. And then we just finish the code for you guys so you guys can watch it. And so as you can see over here, I added one block called drive reverse. So that's just basically to lessen down the blocks. So instead of turning 180 degrees, you can just reverse for the same number as you went forward. And yeah, it's not going to make any difference. And it's just a faster way in order for your robot to get through its destination. So as you guys can see, for the reverse, that's just basically uh basically remember when the part of the robot was here. So basically, the reverse and forward, it's just basically you bouncing back. So basically, if you drive forward for 500, it's just gonna reverse back for the same number as you added on its forward. So yeah, that's just basically the concept of it. So as you see, we've now hit the final mark, and yeah, just pause that real quick. So yeah, the guess and check was probably the easiest code and probably the most basic. It took me the longest to make, as you know, because there's a lot of coding to do, and you really have to put the blocks down one by one, unless you duplicate it. But it's gonna be more confusing because you because like you're just adding blocks down, and you really have no control of what you're doing, and it's gonna be hard for you to edit it one by one. So it's better if you just place it down one by one yourself and just process it through, and yeah.